Do you want to know the most secret habit of the successful people? If yes, then watch the video till the end. This video is for the student, salesperson, housewife, businessman, or whatever job you are doing. It must be essential for everyone to know and implement this habit in your life. In this video, we will talk about the habit of wake up at early morning. The 5 a.m. Club book, written by Robin Sharma, presents a powerful argument for work to rest routine to join the club of top 5% of successful people. Let's discuss the key ideas of the 5 a.m. Club. First key idea is the 4 focus of history makers. The top performers focus more on materializing their talents. Working free from distractions, they work to improve their skills and remain consistent towards their work, and they win day after day until they reach intelligence. It includes 4 focus areas that are: first, capitalization IQ. What is capitalization IQ? It is our ability to materialize whatever the gifts we have born with. We have to find the inner talents of ourselves. We must work at how to think. Second focus of history makers is freedom from distractions. In order to become successful, you have to keep away the things that distracts you. In this modern life, the social media becomes a biggest distraction for the youngsters, students, and for the unemployed. You will have to find your distractions and then you should avoid them. The next point in the 4 focus of history makers is personal mastery practice. Mastery is a process, not a state. You must practice towards advancing the personal mastery daily and forever. The next focus is day stacking. Concentrate on great days, improving 1% each day, and these days will stack into outstanding results. The second point or key idea from this book is achieve positive framework. There have been people that have committed to rising early every morning. The early wake up sets a positive and productive tone for the day ahead. Now the question comes, what should they will do to win the day in only 1 hour of that morning? You should do physical exercise. This can be yoga, gym session, etc. Reflection or meditation. It helps you to visualize your goals. After that, you can learn. In learning, you can read books, listen to podcasts, or whatever you want to learn, you can learn in this time. The author says that take excellent care of the front end of your day and the rest of your day will pretty much take care of itself on your morning and elevate your life. The third key idea is take steps for self-improvement. The best thing about self-improvement is that it is never finished. If you continually push yourself towards what is comfortable rather than of what you have already accomplished, you will continue to grow. When you wake up early, you will have time for self-improvement. You have time to find yourself. The next point is reward yourself. When you wake up early, then after getting from the bed, you should reward yourself, because our brain is also like a child. If a child has done some good work, we give him a candy or a chocolate. Our brain also works like a child. When you done any work which is out of your comfort zone, you should reward yourself. Put the book into action rather than set the alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow and hope for the best. Start small. You can say this yourself before sleeping that I will wake up at 5 a.m. Initially it seems difficult, but after some days it will become your habit. If you learn something new from this video, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video. Thanks for watching.